So guys, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the videos. For questions and inquiries or any help that you may need regarding QGIS, leave them in the comment sections. I will get back to you. So for today's tutorial, we are going to see how to convert shape files into KML. So to begin with, let me add a shapefile. So I go to layers. Let me use this quick route. So I use my browser panel. I go to GeoCAD Chronicles, Kampala. So I'm going to use parishes for Kampala. So I select a parish, I drag it and drop it in my layers panel. So it's here. So this is a shapefile for parish. So I'm going to export it as a KML. So I right click on that layer, export, and save features as. And then after that, for the format, I make sure that I tag KML. So KML is this one, keyhole makeup language. So I select it. The layer name is left as Kampala parishes. Though for the file name, we have to give it a different name. So I look for where to save my data. I'm going to save it in the KML folder. So I say Kampala parishes, Kampala parish. So this is a KML, as you can see, save as type, KML. So I say save, and then I say okay for it to be exported as a KML. Then here they are prompting me to add or cancel, so I say add. So we can see that they are telling us task complete, layer exported successfully, saved vector layer to that location, Kampala.kml. So it's now a KML file that we are seeing. So if I turn Kampala parish off, that's the shape file I've turned off. So this is the KML layer we are seeing here. So guys, that's how you can export a shapefile to a KML files. For any help or assistance, questions, inquiries in regards to QGIS, put them in the comment section. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.